Hello, my lovely beauties. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. Are you tired of dull, tired skin? Do you want glowing glass like smooth skin without expensive salon treatments? In today's video, I will show you a complete skincare routine at home that will give you visible glow in just 7 days. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon because I share real, simple and effective beauty secrets every week. Step number 1, deep cleansing. Glowing skin always starts with clean skin. Take 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon raw milk, mix it into a smooth paste. Gently massage this on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. This removes dirt, tan and dead skin cells instantly. Why this works? Rice flour brightens the skin naturally and milk deeply nourishes and softens. Wash with lukewarm water and pat dry. You will already feel smoother skin. Step number 2, instant brightening face pack. Now let's make a glow pack. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt, few drops of lemon, optional if sensitive, skip lemon. Mix well, apply evenly on face and neck, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This pack removes dullness, controls oil, gives instant brightness, tightens pores. After 20 minutes, wash gently in circular motion, look at the glow. Step number 3, Ice Facial Glow Secret. Here's the secret step. Take ice cubes made from rice water or plain water. Wrap in a clean cloth and gently rub on your face for 1 to 2 minutes. This tightens pores, boosts blood circulation, gives instant fresh glow, makes skin look smooth like glass. Do this 3 times a week. Step number 4, Night Glow Serum. For overnight glow, mix 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 2 drops vitamin E oil, apply before sleep. This repairs skin overnight and gives natural morning glow. So now I'm sharing bonus tips for maximum glow. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. Sleep at least 7 hours. Avoid too much junk food. Use sunscreen daily. Consistency is the real secret to glowing skin. So this was my complete at-home skincare routine for glowing skin. If you found this helpful, please like this video, comment glow if you are going to try this routine, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more amazing beauty secrets. See you in the next video. Stay glowing and stay beautiful.